Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to present an Excel sheet in a more presentable and a beautiful way. Because when you deal with data, the main important thing is that you must present or the information which you are presenting to someone has to have the clarity. So you know these grid lines. This is a basic thing. The horizontal and vertical lines which you see is the basic thing you see in Excel, which is very much mandatory thing when you deal with data. For data entry, for calculations, for inputting data, information, everything you need that column, the basic column and rows. But when it comes to present the data, it isn't required. Because when here I have bring up some data, it's in the data isn't not required or not important, but the way if I am presenting to you, it's a bit confusing, like columns and rows between. So what if there is no grid lines? These are called the grid lines in Excel. If you remove these grid lines, we can say that it will be more presentable. So see, if you go to view option here, and if you click on this grid lines to remove it, see, like now it's more presentable. Like you can see individual graph and the pivot tables when you have the white space coming in between it. Also, now when you are presenting a data, it isn't required to have these headings. You can remove these headings. Heading means this ABC and the numberings on the left side. So if you remove this thing, you can see that you need to only present the information which you have. Also, if you remove this formula bar as well, so it's look more beautiful and more presentable to somebody. So this is this cool feature in Excel where normally I used to do is I used to select the white option to fill the blanks, like, so, but that is a tedious task. But here if you use the view option here and select on this field where you can remove this formula bar, headings and grid lines, your data will be much more presentable. Hope you liked my video, and thanks for watching. Keep subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.